What if the reason your home does not feel right is not because you have too much, but because you have taken away too much? So many people try to declutter, hoping to feel calmer, lighter, more at peace, but instead, they end up with a space that feels cold, empty, and not like them anymore. If that has happened to you, you did not do it wrong. You just went too far in the wrong direction. Maya stood in the middle of her living room, looking around. White walls, one chair, a single plant. She had followed every rule, decluttered everything she did not need. And yet, it did not feel like home. That night, she opened a closet and pulled out a few things she had set aside, a quilt her grandmother made, a few favorite books, a photo from a meaningful trip. She placed them back in the room, and something shifted. The space was not cluttered, but it was alive again. This is where most people get stuck. They think the goal is less, but the real goal is balance. Takeaways. One less does not equal better. Removing everything removes identity. 2 emotional anchors matter. Keep items that create feeling, not just function. 3 balance is the goal. You want calm and personality. 4 look. 4 empty versus peaceful. Empty equals disconnected. You do not want that. Peaceful, on the other hand, equals grounded. Ask yourself, does your home feel calm or just empty? What if you removed that you actually miss? What would make your space feel more like you again? If this resonated with you, I am building a full series on creating a home that feels calm and personal. So make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. It really helps other people find this information. And if you want to know more about how to do this in your home, get my new book, Declutter Without Losing Your Style. Link below, or visit Amazon. Thanks for watching.